pressure is equal to thrust by area A, thrust, perpendicular force F, like this perpendicular symbol you have to give. So now what are the factors affecting to the pressure? Factors, first one is that force or thrust, suppose thrust is more, pressure will be more. Suppose I'll tell you example, suppose you'll keep on your hand, you'll keep one book, then two books, then three books. As you'll goes on increasing the number of books, you'll feel the pressure more and more and more. Getting my point? So that is called that they are directly proportional. Force, pressure is directly proportional to the perpendicular force. Are you clear? Next concept is that area on which force acts. On which force acts. Means what? Suppose, and now only just to add an example, as I am doing this side, same force is constant, but for area is more, that's why I feel less pain, means pressure is less. And if this side same force but pressure is more, I feel the pain more. So that means pressure inversely proportional to the area. If area is more, pressure is less. If area is less, pressure is more. They are inversely proportional. Are you clear? That's why suppose you are lying down, suppose you are standing, you feel more pain than you are lying down, because when standing you are 2 feet you are standing, which is less area. Yes or no? But when less area, but when you are lying down, your body weight is same, but you are lying in the surface, your back surface, back or front you are lying, the area is more, so you feel the lesser pressure. Are you getting my point? That's why lying is or sitting is more comfortable than standing. Okay. Now we'll go for unit of. Have you copied this all? Now unit of pressure. Units of pressure or unit of pressure. First is SI unit. So F is equal to P is equal to F perpendicular by area. What is the SI unit of force? We will say SI unit of force. Yes. I think you all are little advanced. I am asking area SI unit of force, that is Newton, and SI unit of area square meter, not meter square. It is a square. You should pronounce square meter. Clear? So 1 Newton per square meter. It is according to the name of Blaise Pascal. This name is also given Pascal or single word Pa. So 1 Pascal Pa. See, I am writing Pascal full small letter, but Pa capital letter is called 1 Newton per 1 square meter. Okay. Okay. Blaise Pascal is a scientist. Blaise Pascal is the name of a scientist. Okay. What is that? Yes. Now 1 Pascal definition. 1 Pascal. If 1 Newton force, act on a surface of area 1 square meter, at on a surface of area 1 square meter normally, here this normally what you can add here, 1 Newton force act normally on a surface of area 1 square meter, then the pressure is said to be 1 Pascal or 1 Pa. Are you clear? Let us do a, okay, thank you. Have you copied? Yes, yes. All right. Okay, very good.